And we continue our focus on the drought impacting Westmoreland and Hanover. The situation has led to a boom in the water trucking business. Dwayne Anderson has more in part 2 of Waterless West.
They come in all colors and sizes and are now the most common vehicles in parts of Westmoreland and Hanover.
There are so many trucks on the road, the trucks are like the bike taxis.
Every week there's 5 new trucks, and I'm estimated you have 100 water trucks in this community.
They are also in high demand.
From private people, it's hundreds of calls, man.
Hundreds of calls a day?
Yeah, man.
Stakeholders say trucking water is now the fastest way to earn big money. Businessmen from as far as Kingston are also cashing in. The trucks run day and night, sometimes until the wheels fall off, literally. But some are convinced there's a sinister side to the water trucking business.
My fear is if it is allowed to be entrenched and become a culture in this community, and then it starts to spread eastward, you're going to hear Savlamar start up the problem.
We asked the NWC and political leadership about the claims of corruption in distribution or tampering with water supply sources.
I've heard such rumors. We do need a little bit more than rumors. What I can say is that if there are persons doing so and persons have evidence of that, we would be happy to have it reported to us, and we'll have the police deal with it.
I've contacted the ASP in charge of the Negril police station, which these reports are coming from. I've informed him of what I've heard. The police and the security forces are looking to ways they can include some of these possible locations into their patrolling.
How much truth is there to some of the information we're getting that there are some truckers and even some other unscrupulous persons who are tampering with NWC lines in an attempt to boost their business during this water crisis?
Well, our records show that currently there's only one licensed trucks that have been sterilized by the NWC that operates privately in this location.
But on one trip to Negril from Savlamar, I counted 17 trucks, and from Negril to the Hanover border, I counted another 14. That's 31 trucks. But between the NWC and the health department, they confirmed only 13 certified trucks.
These truckmen are selling $7 million worth of water daily, and you're looking at about $2.5 billion worth of water annually, and you need to fix the price for water. A truckman should not be selling a truckload for more than $15,000, and this will guarantee him a $750,000 profit at the end of the month. My God, why is the truckman charging $40,000 for one truckload of water and bankrupting an entire community?
It is why the government is being advised to immediately send in specially trained personnel.
And I would suggest to the Prime Minister, send down a 12-man military from the engineering corps and help the National Water Commission people to police the trucks and police the valves and police the hydrant.
Under the law, persons are allowed to extract and use water without a license if it is required only for domestic use, and if he or she has a right of access to the source of the water. O'Neill is in the latter position. He says he allows persons to access water for domestic use from the Cabarita River via a property he operates. The resident says he's not as suspicious about the water distribution in the parish.
So I'm trying to do my best with the water guy, with the truck, and when them come so them can get them water to bring to sustain the people.
River life has taken an added twist on the Cabarita River. So many people are now coming here to wash and bathe that swings have been installed for the children to play while their parents do their domestic duties. In part 3, we will tell you what medical officials say about trends in the parish since the drought hit. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.